Possessing attractive and competitive advantages, the role of Vietnam in the global supply chain is becoming more important. The strategic location, the economy growing sustainably and various free trade agreements with important partners. The stable political system with policies that support investment and workforce training. As a result, Vietnam has become an attractive destination for investors. Hai Phong is the third largest economic center in Vietnam, after Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Hai Phong has an area of 3,194 square kilometers with a population of 4.7 million people. With about 2 million people at working age, there are about 1,900 FDI projects in the city with total investment capital of about 45 billion USD with typical investors such as LG, Pegatron, VinFast, Ford, Hyundai Kefiko, and Brother. Prioritizing transportation, Hai Phong focuses on investment in seaway, airway, road, railway, and inland waterway infrastructures. Besides, Hai Phong also has effective investment promotion policies, thereby attracting many foreign investors. An Phat Holdings is the leading group in eco-friendly and high-tech plastic products in Southeast Asia, with over 20 years of development. An Phat Holdings has 19 subsidiaries, of which 4 companies have been listed on Vietnam stock market. Understanding the needs of investors, An Phat Holdings decided to choose industrial real estate as one of the key businesses in development strategy. An Phat High Technology Industrial Park Joint Stock Company, An Phat Complex, was established with a mission to develop eco-friendly and high-tech industrial parks, providing sustainable values to investors. In Hai Phong, An Phat is developing 3 industrial parks: An Phat High-Tech Industrial Park, An Phat 1 Industrial Park, and An Phat 5, Luong Dinh, Ngoc Linh Industrial Park. Strategically located on National Highway 5, An Phat High-Tech Industrial Park's industrial land and 10 hectares of ready-built factory has now reached full occupancy, with the presence of various domestic and foreign investors. With an area of 180 hectares, An Phat 1 Industrial Park is located at Kilometer 72, National Highway 37, in Phu Commune, Hai Phong City. After only 2 years of operation, the industrial park has been fully occupied, becoming the destination of more than 20 projects with registered investment capital of nearly 600 million USD. An Phat 5 Industrial Park with an area of 150 hectares is the latest project of An Phat Complex. The industrial park is located at Kilometer 28 plus 125, National Highway 38, Cam Giang Commune, Hai Phong City, the economic center of Hanoi, Quang Ninh, Hai Phong. Easily connecting to important destinations such as the center of electronics and high-tech industries in the north such as Bac Ninh, Phu Thor, Noi Bai International Airport, Ya Bin International Airport, Cat B International Airport, Hai Phong International Seaport, Mong Khai International Border Gate, Tan Ton and Hu Gi International Border Gate. With a synchronous infrastructure, a modern communication system, and advanced systems of electricity, water supplies and wastewater treatment, the industrial park will be capable to meet the different needs of investors. With more than 20 years of manufacturing experience, we understand the expectations of investors in seeking a foundation for production and business expansion. Therefore, our experienced team is ready to support legal procedures and to provide other support services such as logistics, security, industrial catering, and human resources. With those advantages, An Phat 5 Industrial Park is expected to attract 15 large factories with 12,000 workers. We appreciate investment promotion activities and seek partnerships to engage in sustainable production activities, utilizing resources and developing collaborative relationships to enhance economic, environmental, and social efficiency, so that investor coming to An Phat can invest with trust. Together we grow.